Hello children, how are you all? I hope you all are fine. So today we are going to learn the seahorse activity. You can see this is a seahorse. So children, seahorse live in a sea. So now the things we required to make a seahorse is a red craft paper, color brush, pencil. This is a white watercolor, the stick, the googly eyes, scissor and the glue for sticking. So children, now let's start making the seahorse. First thing we will need is a small paper and we have to draw a pod shape on the paper like this. You all can see this is the shape of a pod to make the face of a seahorse, and in the other paper I am going to draw the body of the seahorse. So you all can see this is ready. So now we have to cut the paper. First I am going to cut the body of the seahorse like this. So while cutting be careful, don't harm yourself. So children, you all can see I have cut the shape of a pot and the body for the seahorse. So this pot shape we are going to use for the face of a sea pot. So we have to fold like this. And now we are going to stick the face for the body part of the seahorse. It should come like this. You all can see. So now I'll stick the paper. Put some glue. Face should come like a slanting shape. Like this. Stick the paper like in a slanting shape. You all can see. So now we have to make some of the spots with the paint brush on the top of the face and also on the body part. Make a small spot. With the help of a paint brush, or else you all can use your fingers also. We have to draw the strip also, some of the strip for it. If you don't have the watercolor, you all can use a white crayons too. Again, I'm going to draw some of the spot for this. you also have to draw the same spots till the end. So now this is ready. So children, again I'll take some of the color and for the mouth part. So children, now we will also draw a small spot and we are going to make a nice eye for the seahorse. And on the top of this we are going to stick the googly eyes like this. The remaining part is the tail of the seahorse. So this is the tail and we have to stick it like this at the end. And for this also we are going to color and we'll make some of the strip for this. You all can see. And the stick we are going to stick inside. So put the glue on the stick and we are going to stick the stick in the middle of the seahorse. You all can see how I did. So children, our seahorse is ready. You all can see this two I have made. I hope you all understood the activity of the seahorse. Thank you.